My people, this story is hot and I want you to listen well. Court in Osogbo has ordered the Inspector General of Police to arrest the former chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, for contempt of court. Now, for those who don't know, contempt of court means you refuse to obey a lawful order that a judge has already given. And this one is not a small matter at all. Remember to like this video and subscribe now, because we are giving you the full details in real time. So what really happened? Action Alliance, one of the registered political parties in Nigeria, went to court before now. They told the judge that INEC, under Professor Yakubu, refused to obey an earlier judgment. The judgment had said that the names of their national chairman, Adekunle Rufai Omoaje, and the entire National Executive Committee members should be uploaded on the official INEC portal. The court had also declared that the Action Alliance convention that happened in October 2023 was valid and well monitored by INEC. But up till now, the party's chairman's name was not showing on the website. Like this video right now and subscribe, because you need to follow this story as it unfolds. INEC, on their own side, said they already obeyed the ruling, but Action Alliance disagreed. They said no, if you obeyed, our chairman's name should be there. The judge looked at everything and said, enough is enough. So in a fresh order, dated the 7th of October 2025, the judge directed the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, to arrest Mahmood Yakubu and bring him to court for committal proceedings within 7 days. The court even added a cost of 100,000 naira against INEC and Yakubu. This means the party won the round in court. Now, you need to like and subscribe as I continue, because this story has a lot of twists. What makes this even more dramatic is the timing. The order came just hours after Mahmood Yakubu stepped down as INEC chairman. Can you see the drama? While he was still in power, nothing happened. But immediately he left office, the order came like thunder. This has made people say, is this justice or is this politics? In Nigeria, we know that sometimes big men escape justice when they are still in position, but the moment they leave, the law starts chasing them. This one is a message that no one is above the law, not even the former electoral umpire. It is also a reminder that court judgments must be obeyed, whether you are in office or not. Viewers, remember to like this video and subscribe, because we need to talk about what this means for politics, for accountability, and for the future of elections in Nigeria. For Action Alliance, this is victory. They can now beat their chest and say, we went to court, we stood our ground, and the court backed us. For INEC, it is not looking good. The credibility of the commission is being questioned, and people are asking, if INEC cannot obey court rulings, how can we trust them to manage elections without bias? Now let me break it down so everybody understands. The problem is not just about one man, it is about how institutions behave. If INEC can ignore the court, then what stops another agency from doing the same? It can affect democracy because the court is the final authority in disputes. If people lose faith that court rulings are respected, then democracy itself is in danger. Like and subscribe as I continue, because I still want to tell you how this could play out in the next few days. The police now have 7 days to arrest Yakubu, but the big question is, will they do it? Sometimes, when powerful people are involved, security agencies delay or drag their feet. Some people believe Yakubu might go on appeal. He might try to challenge the order in a higher court. If that happens, then the drama will continue. Others believe the order might not even be executed at all because of politics and connections. That is why Nigerians are watching closely. And it does not end there. If the police obey the order and Yakubu is brought to court, it will set a strong precedent. It will show that even the highest electoral official in Nigeria can be forced to obey the court. That will scare others who think they are untouchable. Like this video, subscribe, and drop your comment. Do you think Yakubu will actually be arrested, or will he find a way to escape it? I want to hear your views. Now, let me connect this to another important gist so you can see the bigger picture. In Nigeria recently, there have been cases where court orders were not obeyed by government officials or agencies. This has caused tension because it makes citizens lose hope in justice. Some people are even comparing this to other cases where activists or politicians were arrested or silenced when they challenged the system. It raises the question, are court orders only obeyed when it benefits the powerful? Remember to like this video and subscribe, because your engagement helps us bring you these real stories every day.